So I have a McDonald's cheeseburger because I'm doing a little experiment. It's a classic cheeseburger, it smells delicious, but I'm leaving it here outside and I want to see if any animals or bugs go to eat it, right? It's a good rule of thumb to see how real the food is, right? So if nature won't eat it, then we probably shouldn't be consuming it either. Good rule of thumb to have. So I'll leave it here and I'll see how long it takes until any bugs or animals have a little bite at it.